At ASG, we're passionate about smart building technologies. We install building automation systems for critical infrastructure such as server farms and data centers.
Air handling, HVAC, is a huge part of a building being healthy and efficient. Being able to monitor and control the amount of outside air delivered to a building is critical for health and has a significant effect on the efficiency of the site.
In every component of the control system, we evaluate what we are selling to the customer because you want to have a reputation of putting in the best of class products. We evaluated several servers and we've had experience with several other servers. We ended up on the Simply NUC because of the reliability, predictability, and repeatability of the product.
With our previous provider, we would have failures within maybe a year or two, but after switching to Simply NUC, we've had near zero failures.
We're the brains behind smart buildings. If the building is smart, it's because we were there. And the greatest success for us is to have people not know that we exist. And for our systems to be running smoothly in the background is a great win for us all.
Working with Simply NUC has helped ASG become more competitive in the marketplace.
By working with Simply NUC, we have reduced our maintenance costs by greater than 50%.
And Simply NUC allows us to have great servers at a great price delivered on time.